All right, guys, NMC, this is the video to find the winner of our triple signed autographed NBA card. So we had the Timberwolves, the Knicks, and the Oklahoma City Thunder were our three teams, which were Tony, Brent, and Nicholas. So we'll check the time August 10th at 8:26 p.m. We're going to go over to which we'll call the raffle now and type live. And we have August 10th at 8:26 p.m. There are our three entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll wins the card. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, guys, 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, come on, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Tony, spot number, well, Tony won. I don't remember what spot he was, but Tony Schwann is our winner. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, August 10th, 8:26 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.